Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to use Zoom to access online programs at the Prospect Heights Public Library. Zoom is a cloud platform for video and audio conferencing, collaboration, chat, and webinars across mobile devices, desktops, and telephones. It's free to use and you do not need an account to join a meeting, but there are more features if you either create an account or pay an extra subscription fee for that account. To use Zoom, you will need a computer or a laptop with a webcam and a microphone, or a mobile device such as a smartphone or a tablet. To join a Zoom program at the Prospect Heights Public Library, you will first have to register for the program that will be using Zoom. Once you are registered, you will receive an email the day of the meeting. When you receive the email, you will click on the link below where it says Join Zoom Meeting, which is located right here. If the meeting requires a password to access, that will also be included in the email. In this email, it's located right here. Sometimes, though, just clicking the link is all you need to access the meeting, which is the case today. So we're going to click, and we will go to the meeting. Join a meeting. Right now, we're waiting for the host to let us in, so we'll be put in this waiting room until we're admitted. Once we are admitted, we will see our audio conference options. The default option is to join with your built-in computer audio if you have a laptop or a smartphone. You can also use an external microphone or a speaker. And if you don't have either of these options, you can click phone call and then dial one of these numbers on your phone and then put in your meeting ID and participant ID once the phone call calls for it. But for today, we're just going to use computer audio and join with our built-in computer audio. Once you are fully admitted, you will see this screen if you're on a desktop, or it may look slightly different if you're on a mobile device. During a normal meeting, you may see the presenter's face or their shared screen, but for today, it's just this default meeting screen. You will see a number of different options on this screen, the most important of which are the unmute and the start video. To either start or stop either one, you will just press on the button. So here, I go to unmute. Now I am talking and the presenter can hear me. This will be useful, especially if participants need to socialize or discuss or have a Q&A kind of session. But for now, I'm going to remute myself by pressing this. There's also my start video option, which is right down here. I press this, and boom, now I can see myself. Hi, I'm going to wave hi, be all nice and friendly, but I don't really need other people to see me, so I will stop my video. Do note that when you join a meeting, both of these will automatically be disabled. You will have to turn them on yourself, so you don't have to worry about other people seeing you or hearing you unless you want them to. You also have the option to chat, which is located right down here. So I press chat, this little group chat pops up. Now, in chat, I have two options. I can either chat to everyone or do a private chat to a single person. Right now, there's only one other participant, so that's the only one I can select. However, this will normally be disabled or occasionally disabled. You don't have to worry about that. Just the main chat. And if you want to chat, you just type in your message. We're going to go, hello. Be all nice and friendly. When the message is typed, we just press enter. Now everyone will see and the discussion can commence. To exit your chat, you just press this button if you're on a Mac or the X button on a PC. Note there's a couple other options on the screen, such as invite others or share your screen, but for the most part this will also be disabled and only used by the presenter. Now we're going to go over a few tips to use Zoom more effectively. The Chrome browser is recommended if you are joining via a web browser, and a laptop or desktop is preferred over a smartphone or a tablet, but any method will work. If possible, try to connect using a computer headset. Headsets that connect via a USB port are the best choice. The reason for this is the headset will help you listen to the presenter a bit better and block out any external noise. Also, do not run any other programs while using Zoom. This will slow your Zoom down and reduce the quality. So close any unnecessary applications so that all the processing power can be used to maximize the quality of your Zoom session. And finally, be on time and don't leave a meeting. This way you don't get potentially locked out of a meeting or an event. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at the Prospect Heights Public Library, and thank you for watching.